This is the haunted house. Haunted barn is the most haunted.
House is semi-haunted.
Yeah, dude. Come on, don't be scared. Alright, that's it. Come on.
Was she scared or what? Okay, turn on me. I was like, hold on, let me get shot of it. Hey. God, dude, look at this.
Place is pretty creepy. There's ghosts out here and shit. I mean, and crap. There's been reports of ghosts out here. A lot of activity and stuff going on. We're just checking out the area. There's been lots of noises. Dude, I think we should get out of here. Yo, what's holding on to that thing?
What are you gonna do? What is that? Dude, look at this trailer. Come on.
Here's some pictures of people that used to live here.
Hold on.
Little old man. So lantern people.
Dude, it's starting to rain.
Dude.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dude, look at a bird.
Dude, somebody was throwing something.
It's a nice thing over there.
The shotgun shells. Looks like someone's been murdered here. Little bird going crazy.
I think that bird's there. Oh my.
Oh man, that bird's going crazy, dude.
That bird is going crazy. Look,
I hope it doesn't fly at us.
That bird is possessed, dude.
Possessed bird right there.
Come on, we gotta get him out of here. Get out of here, bird. Oh, we gotta get him out of here.
Get out of here, you haunted bird.
Get out of here.
Ice pick, bird. Need my ice stick, bird.
Oh, get the out of here. He's a smart bird. I feel like we're gonna get fucking.
Oh, you got out of here.
Looks like this is the person that used to live here.
First grade.
Kindergarten.
We're gonna see him get older. He's on the. He's home.
That's when he died.
He didn't die. He came back to life and learned.
Lots of stuff here. It's been a lot of stuff here. It's been moved around. There's been reports out here of paranormal activity.
Paranormal activity, dude.
Sounds like that movie.
Sounds like a lot like that movie. Dude. What's going on? Dude, I think we should get out of here. Oh, I got some water on my camera.
No. Looks like we've witnessed some paranormal activity.
Okay, enough of the paranormal activity, dude. You're just freaking out. Hopefully none of us get killed, though.
Hopefully. Alright, the storm's picking up. More paranormal activity. We gotta get going, guys.
Look at this 18-wheel thing. Man, it's muddy. Looks like somebody's already been here.
A ghost has been here.
Look at the footsteps.
It looks like there's been some tracks.
Wait a minute, Stephen.
Stephen, go in there and get a chainsaw.
Oh, dude, I saw something. I'm not even playing, dude. I ain't even playing. I am not even playing, dude. Something moved in the back. Like I heard a noise and then like.
Door's closing. The door.
Oh, you ain't got a blade on it.
We don't need one. Oh wait, we need one with the blade, not the knives.
Yeah, I don't want to go that far in there.
Dude, there's nothing in there. See?
Let's all go. Let's all go.
Stefan, take the camera.
I'm right here with you.
Put the camera.
That one doesn't have a blade on it either.
Put the camera against your face, Stefan.
Well, shine it that way. Dude, oh my god, this is scary as hell.
I got the monster
Dude.
claw right here.
Dude, is that like a monster face? Look.
Shut up, dude. I hear noise. I hear like this thing's on. Like,
Dude, I'm hearing it too. Get the fuck out of here.
get out of here! Get out of here!
There's one of our crew is missing. We heard a lot of noise. We don't know where he is. We think he's dead. Yep. We don't know really. We don't know where he is. We gotta find Stefan. Stefan's like, he's like the gay guy who's in the grocery store. Yeah. Dude, I see it. Oh god, oh god! I don't know what the f that was, but that was scary. That's all I have to say.
We gotta find Stefan, dude, because
we have to find Stefan. It's starting to get late. It's starting to pour, and we can't find him.
Oh, dude, this.
I don't know if he's playing a trick on us.
This is bad.
Or whatever. Whatever he's doing. I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know. Let's go find him.
He's not in the little barn house.
All right, let's cut, dude, cut. I think maybe he's over here.
Maybe he's over here. We can't find him. There's been reports of people missing out here. We're just coming here to check this out. This is an old place. It's been here since the 40s.
Oh, dude, check this out.
Many people have been murdered.
We gotta get him. What's that? Dude? Oh my god. What's that? Oh, dude, it's wet. Too late, man. It's dead.
Oh my god.
It's dead, dude. Yeah, what was that? What was that?
I don't know.
Dude. Dude, wasn't he just over there?
Yeah.
He was just over there. Stefan. Stefan, what's wrong? What's going on?
I think he's possessed or something.
Dude, I think something's... Oh god. Stefan, it's me, dude. What are you doing? What is that? Stefan. Stefan. No, don't.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.